Uh, the file editor and the draw functions are simple. Could learn from the menu. And now let's to see about the tool function. Tool function, the tool selector. Tool selector function is choose which design path you need to cut. Now, get into it. You can select by the length or select by different choose property. Usually use select property. Could select outside or select inside. Select circle, select enclosed. After select it, you can change the color of the lever. After select the design path, you can either the lever of the design party, and then you can set the. And after you select the lever, you can choose the speed and the process model.